In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide read messages on WhatsApp. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you want to hide that you have read someone's message once you receive it on WhatsApp, this is actually a really simple thing to do. So the first thing you'll need to do is head over to your WhatsApp, and then once you've opened up WhatsApp, from here you'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner. Once you've clicked on the three dots, you'll need to click on settings. And then once you've clicked on settings, as you can see there, right at the top of the screen, there is an option for account. If you click on account, what that will do is it will present you with these options here. And from here, you will need to select privacy. And then once you have selected privacy, as you can see, around the middle of the screen, there is an option there for read receipts. So if turned off, you won't send or receive read receipts. So if you don't want people to see that you have read their messages, what you can do is uncheck this here, and then they will not be able to see that you have read their messages. So that's how you can turn off read messages on WhatsApp.